Now here on the stove I've got a very large pot with some water in the bottom. I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, salt, black pepper, cinnamon, ground clove, and here on a plate I've got some orange peel, garlic, rosemary, and some bay leaves. I'm going to add all of this as well. Then come back and give it a good stir, and once everything is mixed in real well, we're going to go ahead and bring this up to a boil. Remove it from the heat, and you can wait for it to cool down, or you can go ahead and add a few pounds of ice. Either way, this recipe does require more water, so you can just add cold water if you'd like instead. The important thing is to get this stirred and mixed thoroughly until that ice completely dissolves, or the cold water completely infuses and merges with the former. Now all you have to do is hoist the turkey upside down by the handle and go ahead and fully submerge the bird. It's going to want to float, so with a little pressure just push it under until it completely fills with brine. Then you want to flip it over to the front and have the breasts face down. Now go ahead and get you a lid, get it covered up, and refrigerate for 48 hours. Now for some reason, when you hoist the bird out, it always feels a little bit heavier. So clean out the pot, put the turkey back in it, give it a good rinse with water, get all that salt off there so it doesn't ruin the roast. At this point, you're ready to move to the next stage because you now fully have a brined turkey.